Applying background to the template pages. Applying a solid color background. Consider the following template page. Click on the Fill Background button. This will open a Fill Background dialog window. Select an appropriate color by clicking on the color palette and moving the color slider. Notice that the preview window displays the selected color. Click on the Solid Color button. To select an exactly matching color from the entire visible area on the Foto Art Gold interface, you can make use of the Color Picker tool and make your template page look exclusive. Simply click the Color Picker tool button. Notice that the cursor gets converted to the Color Picker tool. Move the Color Picker across the entire area of the screen to sample a color. Notice that as you move the Picker tool, the RGB values in the text box changes. Click when you find the appropriate color. The selected color is displayed in the preview. If you wish to have this selected color applied as a background to all new pages, click the Set as Default button. A dialog will open up asking you to confirm. Click Yes. Click on the OK button in the Fill Background dialog window. The selected color gets applied as a background. Remember that whenever you open a new project, the background color set as default will be applied. You can also change this if you wish. Applying a texture background. Consider the following template page. Click on the Texture button to load the texture library into the gallery. Click on an appropriate category. Locate a texture and double-click on it or press the Add button. A texture automatically gets applied in the background of the page. The background will also automatically get resized to match the page size selected. You can remove an applied texture by clicking the Remove Background Texture button. Remember that on removing an applied texture, the background will always become white automatically. Applying a gradient color background. Consider the following template page. Click on the Fill Background button. This will open a Fill Background dialog window. Click on the Gradient button. For creating a transition from one color to another, you need to select two colors. For this, select the first color by clicking the first color band. Select an appropriate color by clicking on the color palette and moving the color slider or by making use of the Color Picker tool. Notice that the preview window and the color band displays the selected color. In the similar way, select the second color by clicking the second color band and selecting the appropriate color. Notice that the preview window displays the gradient color. Click on the Direction drop-down to select the gradient direction. Notice the change in the preview window. Once you have reached a gradient of your choice, you can set this as a default background color to all the new pages and projects by clicking the Set as Default button. Click Yes button in the Fill Background dialog window to apply the selected gradient color as a background.